Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get free K-pop Demon Hunters item in Roblox. Today is the last day, so make sure you claim it now. You will get the light stick if you just join for an hour. I'm just going to join. You cannot join in a private server. So before this, you basically had to do the mini games to earn prizes. But today's the last day, I think, so you can just win the light stick by just joining the concert from the beginning till the end. As you can see, there's this button over here on the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll need to actually tap on it if you want to win prizes, and you will need the highest score to get it. I've only gotten one because I've only joined on the first day, but you can join on the last day to get this light stick, I think, and then you will get it without having to join the minigame. You just need to join the concert from the beginning till the end. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.